Guys, good morning, guys. That's ATLO. What's up, you guys? So right now, you guys, I dropped Rachel off at early on. I'm just getting clothes set up, and then I'm doing things, organizing some stuff. So that is what's going on. It's gonna be fun and exciting. I'm gonna put the dryer on again because some of the clothes did not sit well on them. So I'm just getting the clothes in there so we can get it on. I just been really recording videos constantly. I'm gonna be recording videos this week, so it's gonna be fun and exciting to do recording videos with you guys. So I'm just putting this on so we can get started on folding laundry.
Hey guys, so right now you guys, I'm just heading back to pick up Rachel at Room to Grow. So I'm just heading there right now, so I'll talk to you guys when I'm done picking her up. Should try the new SB.
It's
Looks
really
so good.
guys. I think it'd be really good with broccoli in it.
Probably.
Well, I'm gonna end today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. Guys, do give it a big thumbs up and tell me in the comments what you guys want me to do in the next video. Goodbye.